We have a little bit of parts here on our trailer. It looks like some of the cars are just falling apart. Let me show you what we got. Right here we have a 2010 Ford Taurus. Now I actually bought this car almost a year ago, and you guys seen me kind of working on it a bit, and it ended up needing a motor. The timing chain went in it, so my cousin bought it. Actually, to be honest, I just gave it to my cousin, and he put a new motor into it, and he drove it for a bit, but then he just got into a front end accident and the frame bent. It's a very, very tough looking frame, but the factory bumper ripped off. So I think with a different bumper, this would have been a pretty nasty front frame. So my plan is to fix it and derby it. But apparently they lost the key. So I have been looking for the key for this car for quite some time, but I can't seem to find it. And there's no way to really jump the security on this girl. But I was super excited to derby this, but unfortunately, due to circumstances out of my control, I can't derby it. It is a shame. I really thought the back of this car was going to be something super tough, and I was looking forward a lot to actually derbying this car. But I've looked through everywhere to try to find the key, and I can't seem to find it anywhere. But I really did want to derby this car, but unfortunately we can't find the key, so I can't do too much about it. So I made a couple phone calls, and one of my other buddies needs a motor, so we're going to pull this motor out and we're going to sell it, and that's about it. It's definitely going to need a little bit of transmission plug work though, because that's broken. But yeah, so I guess let's start tearing this thing down. Just kind of upset. I was expecting to derby this thing. I was really hoping to derby this thing, but oh well, can't do much, can you? We got the motor out. Didn't really do it the best way. We just cut the axles, cut half the motor mounts out of it, cut half the frame rail out of it. You guys know me trying to skip some steps if I don't have to take them all. The motor's right over here. I already got the catalytics removed, ready for Buddy to pick up. And fortunately, it does look like it might need a new transmission connection right here. Kind of a shame. It could probably be fixed, but whatever. Junkyard motor. The transmission's the original transmission out of this car. But yeah, so we got that out of there pretty quick. Yeah, guys, I wanted to derby this car so bad. The frame looks good. It's an octagon shape. I've been really liking these new octagon shaped frames. I find them very tough. Cutting through it was pretty hard. There's multiple layers. The subframe is good, a nice thick big subframe. Tie rods look a little weak. Axles are super big. Spindles are aluminum, but you know, Taurus spindles seem to be doing pretty good, even though they've been aluminum since the 2000s. But no, I was kind of hoping to smash this car. Kind of feel let down, but honestly, I thought the front end was going to be good, but I thought the back ends were all the party was going to be. But unfortunately, it's just being filled with scrap. So, sorry guys, I did have high expectations to smash this, but unfortunately, the world's had different plans. She's going to go turned into pop cans or brand new Toyota Camrys. Thanks for watching, guys. Motor's out, going to be sold off, and then the rest of the car is going to go to scrap, unfortunately. Take care.